Welcome back to Robinson's Automotive Toolsandtime.com. I know it's been a minute. It's not that I haven't had to work to demonstrate. It's been just the polar opposite. I've actually had a little too much work to where I've just been pushing hard just to keep up with it. Today, I'm going to demonstrate something for you that's been happening quite often. But if you ever turn on your blower motor and it starts vibrating your dash apart, you might have a common problem that happens during the winter. And this is the third one this month, not a BMW. This one just happens to be a BMW X3. I had a Ford Edge the other day and a couple other vehicles, so you'll see here shortly what causes this. That's probably one of the more extreme ones, but it's a balance issue. So we're gonna start by popping the hood. And then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna check the cabin air filter. Now there could be two reasons to why this happens. Sometimes it's due to a filter element that has came apart, so I'm not sure what we're gonna expect when we see in there. Sometimes a rodent can get in there and chew away at the filters and also get other things down in there that don't belong, throwing that fan out of balance. Not sure if that's what's causing this. Maybe it's just a bad fan, we don't know. But a good point of reference to start is this cabin air filter. So we're gonna pop this clip up. Someone's been here before. There's usually a piece of weather stripping. We got a clip here, I believe. It's been a while since I've done one of these. And then this is the box that we're gonna have to get underneath. There's a clip in the front. We're gonna pull that up. All right, we're gonna pull this out. Now for this filter element, there's 4 clips. This one appears to be broken already. I'm gonna put you down for a second while I pop those other 3 clips. All right, so it's not the filter element on this one. A lot of times I'll find the filter element down inside on the blower motor. Okay. Usually I find the rodent gets in here, chews all this stuff apart, and ends up down on top of the blower motor. All right, so this one is leading us down a different avenue. We're gonna pull this lower cover off. It's T15, it's got 1, 2, 3. All right, once you get those 3 removed, you're gonna pull down on this cover. It's gonna have a little bit of resistance because it's got these clips. And then we got a little light bulb over here. You're gonna come down, and this is where the blower motor resides. We're gonna take and unplug this big connector. See these lock tabs, one on each side. You're gonna push them in. Then there's a tab on the back side. You gotta pull down on it a little bit. And once you pull that down, turn the blower motor counterclockwise. Ah, there it goes. Once you get that out, so you'll pull the blower motor down. Ah. Okay, it's dead, but this is a common problem. Are you guys ready? All right, guys, it's been a little bit. We went up in there with a shop vac, got as much out as we could, used disinfectant wipes and disinfectant on all the surfaces that we could reach, and sprayed up in there, let it air out for a little bit. Same thing with the blower motor. So we're ready to start reassembling this one. This is the tab we were referring to in the back that you can barely see. You see the corresponding holes. There, let's see if we can get this bad boy up in. There you go. That's more like it. There you go. Once you get it up in there, it'll turn. She's locked in. The tab is locked. Okay. Plug our motor back in. All right. Before I put the kick panel on, we'll just make sure everything still works. That's a little better, isn't it? That poor little guy. Yeah, everything sounds great. The vents look good. It smells good as well. All right, this piece would be pretty straightforward. We cleaned this as good as we could and disinfected it. I know it looks terrible, but a lot of these, when you pull them out, they look like that regardless. All right, so that's plugged back in. Next, you'll see a little spot that will go into right about there. Get that in, and then we'll just line up our tabs here and get everything clipped back in place. Point, we should be able to put our screws in. Everything should be lined up nicely. Looking at this all once again, this is the filter that goes up top. I'm not sure how I missed it the first time, but because I probably looked at just the bottom and it looked good. But actually, if you look on the inside, he made his way through. Well, he won't be doing that again. Just for reference, if you use bumper to bumper or National Auto, whatever, airflow direction, you don't want to take this and slide it through your housing. Whenever you have rodents or something, just clean everything. Like I said, we went through and cleaned everything up. This filter is going to go down on the bottom. This is going to slide in like so. That filter would fall down. You want to clip everything in. Like I said, this one had one broken tab over here, but since it's in that front corner, it's not so critical. This will actually help hold that front corner down. So these are going to slide back and under. There's a taper in the back. That looks good. And then now pop in. Now this piece here, you have one broken tab on this one as well, but bring this back around through here. Almost forgot. All right, and that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look forward to sharing some more future videos with you. Like always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment. I always enjoy reading your feedback. Thanks for watching.